How to download Quotex application on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Quotex application on your Android device. So it's a quite easy process. Just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Quotex application just like this. So once you search in for Quotex application, it should appear over here. So as you can see, there's a Quotex application with this logo. For your confirmation, it has over 5 million plus downloads, so just tap on install and it should automatically download and install on your device based on your internet connection. So once it gets downloaded, you can just tap on open button over here just like this to open the application, and you can just log in with your email as well as password. And if you don't have an account, you can just tap on this registration button over here, and you can then actually enter your email and password as well as country and your currency and register it. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.